Namaskar. Actually, the knowledge, and knowledge. Nothing is going to happen without knowledge. We can't design further, we can think further, we can not do anything. ज्ञान के बिना हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. So, from where the knowledge or gyan will come? The connectivity with the ancient age, the previous people of this world, connectivity was being done by the books. And we are getting out of the habit to read the books. It is more than a sin. ये पाप है कि हम किताबों को नहीं पढ़ रहे. कनेक्टिविटी पीछे की, द कनेक्टिविटी of the previous days, the knowledge of the previous days can not pass on without books. Books. So we should come back to the books. No doubt we are very busy. Anytime we get some time, we should stay connected with the nice informative books. Just like this books for whole world. Whole world would be miserable without the books. Guaranteed. We can't make fun of the books. Books is a real connectivity. Reading informative can only design. If we read informative, nice books, that can design our future. That can only design better. Knowledge is a ingredient to think. Knowledge is a ingredient to think. What we need to design our thinking? Where from the ingredients will come to think? If a layman is there, he don't know anything, what he will think? How he will design the further things? It's very difficult. So come back to books. Very nice books. And that too, what is nice and what is not, we will have to decide with our knowledge. So books is a must. So this books and all that I am talking, it is all connected with our life and health. How we will think about health, we don't have knowledge. So now I will show you that what kind of books we can read, which can give us abundance. For example, this book, People of the Earth. People of the Earth, it talks about many things in this, many chapters. Many places, many continents, many countries, how the people do, how they improve their life, how they improved their life, many things. So, People of the Earth. We can get such books from the libraries, we can go there and read. We can, nowadays, there are many sales of the books, so go for that. First is like this. The second is A Hero in Every Heart. This type of books, A Hero in Every Heart. It says many things like this. Inside, it says a hero in every heart. They talk many things about like that. A hero in every heart. They empower us, they encourage us. Then that says, nobody who ever gave his best regretted it. Anybody who gives the best for everything never regrets. So this type of things are there in this. And then just see, very good. You cannot stuff a great life. You cannot stuff a great life into a small dream. If your dream is small, you cannot stuff a bigger thing, a great life in that. So dream good and get information for that. Without that, you can't do the dreams. Just like this, we are always surprised at the progress that comes from doing simple things well. We are always surprised at the progress that comes from doing simple things best. Even the simplest thing you do best way, the simple thing, the regular thing, the routine thing, do in a best way that can give the surprising results. Everything when you will be doing or we will be doing in a best effort, with a best effort, that is going to give best results. Then the books like this is the Upanishad, the extract of the Vedas, the only knowledge available on this earth. It can be, I think it is available in English also and all that. Upanishad, the extract of the Vedas. Now Vedas is a abundance of knowledge that is connected with no religion, nothing else but abundance of scientific knowledge, Vedas. And this is the extract of that, this type of books, Upanishad. Then the people of the music and all that, they can go for this Samved. Samved is a Veda of hymns, songs, and making the life pleasant. Samved. And then the people like this, who was talking about this universe with many calculations, with many ancient thoughts. He said he was connected with the old saints and all that in his previous birth. His name is Maharishi Krishan Dattaji Maharaj. He has an ashram near Meerut. So anything which is going to get you information so that you can or we can use that in creating our designs, what I was talking about, platform. Without that, we can't do anything. So reading the books, coming back to the previous days, no doubt we are very busy, but anytime we can have some time, and even the keeping nice books around also helps. If you are having a nice books around you, that helps also, even without reading that, because that gives you a microscopic atomic messages inside our body. So, okay, namaskar, and I will be back again with something very magnetic. This all is needed to design, and now I will try to come to some foods, the sandwiches, life-oriented sandwiches, the vegetarian. We will have to go for vegetarian. If we are serious about our health, we will have to go to vegetarian. But if we want to stay on non-veg, even then we should do it very carefully. Namaskar again.